folks, welcome to part 2, or if we're still on the same episode, we've got sun! And I seem to have lost Dad. Right, see you guys in a minute. Dad forgot the wallet, that's what happened. Oh well. We'll wait for him when we get there. And we now wait for Dad.
2 hours later.
Okay, he's back. We're here.
So we decided to find another viewing spot to watch the rest of the race, and on the way I caught these. A 1946 GMC pickup. You already know these. Aston DB6 DB11. Corvette Stingray. Ferrari California. Virage Volante and V8 Vantage. TVR Cigaras. Lancia Delta Integrale Evo 2. And the Lamborghini Gallardo. An Alfa Romeo Giulia, and that other thing. A 2001 MGF, another British regged Ferrari California, a lovely pair of Ginetta G40s. I think these are powered by 1.8 Zetec's. Cracking machines. And finally, a Sierra RS Cosworth. Mad. Who else noticed my great driving skills during the race? Lunchtime! After those thrilling races, the day slowly comes to an end, and sadly the classic automotive circus starts packing up. Why is our Pilgrim Sumo getting loaded onto this lorry? Oh wait, it is a real 1964 AC Cobra. I wonder who was truly racing it. For me, these three are the winners of the day. There was a red flag during that race, and I think you can see why. Ouch.
Ooh, that's hot.
And to finish off, we have one last thing to do.
Hi folks, welcome back. It's the end of the day. The festival has finished and now we're going to participate in the lap parade with other classic cars and supercars. So, see you in a bit.
Not exactly.
Hi folks, change of plan. The track is in not good conditions, unfortunately. So there's been a very serious accident and so it was cancelled this year.
Not to worry, I found some videos from a previous festival from 5 years ago. Hopefully this little compilation will compensate.
It's on.
Present.
Yeah, probably next year. At least a nice sunset. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye. I really wanted to go on track.
Oh, just one last thing. Please like and subscribe. It's totally free and it truly helps with the growth of this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye!